Good morning, everybody. Welcome to day 2 of my Georgia fishing trip. Today we're in Covington, Georgia, and we're going to see if we can catch some slabs. Yesterday was a little slow. We caught a few small ones and only 2 keepers, but today looks promising. Water temperature's around 59, 60. It's going to be a cloudy day with a chance of rain, but we're going to make it a good day. Appreciate you watching Jimmy Brown Fishing. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and that like button, and then share that video. Not much more to say, but waiting for my buddy to bring the boat down. He's way back there. So anyway, let's catch another one. Pretty good one. Of course, it's the first fish I've caught on this micro light. Milky shad.
How cold you want this clear water? That's a good fish.
He's hooked pretty good. That's a nice one.
Nice fish. Is that?
Quarter ounce.
Quarter ounce, yeah.
With the, I put a sinker on there too.
Oh, there you go.
Very nice. Let's put him in the cooler. Not a hard fighting one. Maybe it's a stick. It's a stick. I knew there were stick fish in here. Covered in 50 years of slime. I'm not sure I want to fillet that. Is he a net?
Yeah. You just set it back here by me.
Oh yeah. Oh my gosh. What a slab. Put him in the bucket. Nice. About a 12, 12 and a half.
Mm-hmm.
Good job. Oh yeah. Yeah, a little bigger than the last one. That's about 13 and a half. Put him in the bucket.
Ooh, I love it.
Is he hung up?
He's out now. Oh my God. You see him?
Yeah.
Back there?
It's a big catfish.
Is that what it is?
Looks like it. It's a big one. You want me to? Here, let me have it.
Break it off. This is a big old cat, isn't it?
Do we have your other pole? I'll reel them in.
Fire out of that. It was on a minnow rig.
This big blowdown right here.